Getting that pose, that screenshot I gotta get. And I have on my black, so I'm using my white, I'm using my drink bottle to help block out the blowout. What do you think about my new hat? Hey, Connie. Y'all gotta tell me which one I should wear to the beach. I'm leaving tomorrow. Is it this one? Hey, should I wear this hat to the beach? Or should I wear this one to the beach? You know, I'll probably wear both. Hey, Vicky. Y'all say hey when you pop on. I can't decide which hat I like the best. Hey, Vicky. Oh, and I have to show you while I have my hat on. Let me show you guys. This is my other TJ treasure. My first pair of linen pants. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't decide. I love them, but they're huge, y'all. They looked super cute when I put them on this morning, and they just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So yeah, this is my other TJ special. I got this cute little top too. But I love my linen pants because I feel like I've been in PJs all day. Hey everybody. Hey Ashley. Hey Sherry. Hey Linda. Hey Stacy and Sheena. I'm sorry I missed all you guys. But yeah, this little top, it looks like it's nothing special, okay? It's just a cute little top. I'm trying to hold this up so I don't blow myself out. But it's got this little silky pocket and little silky sleeves. Y'all, this had a $35 price tag, okay? $35 for this top, $12.99 at the Maxx. And for those of you that didn't see my other hat, let me show you the other one. This hat has a price tag of $30, and I got it for $12.99. Hey, Issa! I got this one for $12.99, and let me tell you, we went to one of those outfitters stores, like REI, or I don't know what store it was. They had this same hat with a fancy name brand on it. $70 for this hat, y'all. And it didn't even have these. Look, it's even got cute little pom-pom things on it. The $70 one didn't, but my $12.99 one did. What about me? Yeah, I'm thinking, thanks, Sherry. I'll probably be sporting both of these babies to the beach, especially this with the pom-poms. I don't even know. Thanks, Mimi. Hey, Deborah. I don't remember what swimsuits I even have. I know I have a black and white, and I don't even remember what else I have, but it doesn't have to match, does it? Or does it? Are they supposed to match? Oh, thank you, Vicky. Doesn't really match, but you know, I don't even care if it matches. It's cute, right? It's all about being cute. I love a bargain too. Thanks, Connie. Thank you. I do kind of like it. And I got something else. Now, my linen, I gotta say, I might be investing in some more linen pants. I'm really enjoying they're just so comfy. Oh, darn, my battery's going dead. Let me show you what else I got. You know, a couple of weeks ago, I got the Amazonite, the big beady necklace, and you can go back and watch you could click on the hashtag to see the other Tuesday TJ treasures, and see the What am I saying? I lost my train of thought. Oh, my other necklace. Excuse me. I got an Amazonite necklace at TJ a few weeks ago, and I showed it on TJ Treasures. It's a big, bulky one with the big silver buckle. Oh my gosh, y'all. So cute. Well, you know I'm into my crystals, and I love my crystals. This is another one that I found the other day. It's an Amazonite, and, you know, whether you believe in them or not, you know, I still love crystals, and they are supposed to have some healing properties for the thyroid, especially in the throat area, if you're wearing them in the throat area. So look at this baby. Look at this beauty. Isn't this so pretty? Let me try to get closer. Thanks, Catherine. It's got this cute little bead right here that's got some bling on it, some little CZ crystals. And this is all Amazonite crystals. Look at those greens, y'all. Isn't that gorgeous? Had a sticker on it. I think it was like 60-something bucks. $19.99. Yeah, I'll take it, please. The lady said, honey, I just put that out. I said, I'm not surprised. It was meant for me to have it. So, yeah, this is my new Amazonite. And my mom keeps telling me, you need to wear more Kelly green. You need to wear more Kelly green. So, I have like 5 new Kelly green tops. And guess what? My new Amazonite necklace is going to fit it perfectly. It's the first time I've even put it on. I didn't even try it on that day. It's so pretty. I could almost wear it every day. Thanks, Vicki. Hi, Margarita. Thank you, Connie. Hi, Brenda. I'll show you ladies my other hat. I kind of like this one the best because, you know, it's kind of got a big statement to it, right? It's big, it's bold, it's got pom-poms. I mean, if it's got pom-poms, it's the thing, right? For sure. Excuse my hair. It is clean. That's about all I can say for it. Hi, Sandra. Thank you, darling. Oh, they had this hat in a blue, but you know I had to go with the pink. I love the pink. Oh, I love it, y'all. Yes. I'm feeling kind of like I might need a cocktail. Chop chop, could someone please bring me a cocktail to the beach now? Yes, come shopping with me. Now, you know the rules. We're about to go to the beach, okay? We're leaving for the beach, and we don't stop at restaurants. Well, we do stop to eat, but for our potty breaks, it's always TJ Maxx. So you can count on seeing me checking in at probably at least 4 TJ Maxxes between here and Florida. And then we'll probably hit one in Daytona while we're there. So yeah, if you're following me, you can count on seeing me check in because we don't stop at gas stations. We don't stop at convenience stores. We don't stop at truck stops and rest areas. We look for TJ Maxx's because that's what we do. So, I do have, oh, I had one other thing I got. You know, when I got my brows done, I need to be trimming up my brows and filling them in all the time. Oh, you can wear a hat, Dana. You sure can. But I got these to trim my brows back. They say they're for men, but they're little scissors. They're little scissors. Anybody can use them, right? Satin finish. They're really sharp. So they're going to be Ginger's new brow trimmers. $2. $2 in the beauty section. You can't say no to that. So that's my 2 beachy hats and my new Amazonite necklace. Yes. So I will see you at the beach. I don't know when I'll be driving through Asheville again. I won't be driving through Asheville to go to Daytona, will I? I don't think so. No. I don't drive through Asheville to get to Daytona. I can't find my way out of a wet paper bag, but I've been to Daytona enough to know that I'm not going to be going through Asheville. But next time I'm in Asheville, I need to look you up. All right, guys. I might even have to wear these cute earrings to the beach. They do kind of look darling with it, don't they? Does anyone have my cocktail yet? All right, guys. I've been silly enough. I have all kinds of things that I need to be doing. I have to run to the post office tomorrow. And I have tons of ladies waiting on their fancy feet samples. So if you asked for fancy feet samples from Ginger, they're going out tomorrow. So treat yourself this weekend and let me know how you love them. Thank you so much for watching and joining my Tuesday TJ Treasures. Have a good night. I'll see you next Tuesday. Mwah! Bye. Oh, and don't forget to invite your friends to this. They may need a new beach hat. Bye.